designandmake.com. We want to give you something to help keep you distracted through these difficult times. Our In the Magical Garden is just like any of our other model projects. It comes with some assembled layouts, all the models that you need to make your own layouts, a project street for inspiration, and as a special bonus, 3 coloring pages so that your kids can have some fun, and then a set of cutout sheets delivered to you as a PDF that you can print out and your kids can cut out and create their own layouts. This project works just like all of our other projects. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you'll have access to all of its content. You can bring in one of the assembled layouts, simply add in some basic text, position that text where you would like it to be, and then create your basic tooling to get this thing cut out so you can pass it off to your kids and they can paint it. Now also keep in mind that if you've got a shop or maybe you're working towards a Christmas craft fair, you can have some of these already pre-cut and you can just add in the text later as you get your orders. We think you're going to have tons of fun with this project. And don't forget you've got all those single models to create your own layouts. I hope you have fun, keep making, and most importantly, keep safe.